celebrate also today. You will also celebrate Women's History Month as you recognize the accomplishments of Somali women. I applaud today's honorees, for your service and contribution to your communities. Ohio is home to a diverse number of cultures and ethnicities, and Columbus should be proud of the fact that we are the home to the second largest Somali population in the nation. We're very proud of that. Best wishes to everyone attending today, and we do look forward to working with the Somali community to address needs, and we will continue working with Ms. Kaja, Ms. Nadi, Sophie, in any area that we can help. We are there for you and want to partner with you to address your needs. So thank you for inviting us today, and I apologize, I'm just out of sorts, but thank you again and congratulations.
Thank you,